Ready for this little cheesy line? Sometimes being a grill master, it takes sweat, fire, and sometimes too much sweat. I meant to say smoke, but I am really sweaty right now, so it's fine. Hi, I'm Maddie. I work in the Grill Academy at Weber as a grill specialist, and I'm actively working towards being a grill master. I get to grill every single day. I get to teach people how to grill and teach people how to use the product. And I don't know if it's because I grew up, my family's a bunch of teachers, so I love teaching, and I think that's the aspect of it. And then as part of my job, I get to light up grills in all different kind of settings, whether it be in our backyard in Illinois or across the states. I've been to New York, South Carolina, Florida, Kansas City, Memphis, honestly, everywhere. And that's probably just this year. I get to work with the best of the best at Weber, so that is Dustin Green and Jason Pruitt. They not only challenge me, but they also support me. I get to grill every single day, which is great, love it. I get to build and I get to learn from that. So being a grill master, not only do you have to learn how to grill, you have to learn the product inside out, because not only do I need to be able to grill, I need to teach others how to use it and get the best experience out of it. Part of my grill master journey is logging those hours. So I've logged about 95 hours total for my journey to becoming a grill master. And becoming a grill master, you need over 500 plus. Being a grill master is not just a job that you get hired for, you have to earn it. Logging hours and documenting it with pictures, pit setup, grill setup, all that is very different than just me throwing on a steak for Tuesday night's dinner. So I have to, what time did I start my grill? How long did the cook take overall? My resting period and my grill setup. So all that goes into this log. And then I actually go to Dustin and Jason, who are the two grill masters, and they kind of review it and they'll give me either tips or something that I could have done better or how it turned out overall. Now I can go back and see if I tweak this just a little bit, if my grill's a little bit hotter, am I gonna get a better experience, vice versa. So I get to learn. Being a grill master takes a lot of time. You definitely have to put in the hours, the work, and most importantly, you have to mess up. I learn from all my mistakes. That's when I learn the most. If I mess up on a grill, that's definitely where my learning is gonna happen. And I definitely have two great role models that help me along the way. Honestly, seeing that, seeing the memories form and seeing the people like, oh, that's how you start a charcoal grill. That's so easy, like I can do that. Seeing that connection in people's eyes, like they love it, which makes me happy. For me, grilling isn't just about the food, it's about the creativity, bringing people together, and just having a good time. Did that not sound like me?
Make you say that?
Okay, good.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I'm just happy I'm grilling, okay?